Hi, Zach. Hi, Henry. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Sarah. Today we're going to read a story about race cars. Here we go. For this book, your communication partner can help you model the word look for you on page 1A. At the track, vroom vroom, race cars speed by. Look, I see so many cars on the race track. People watch them race. The cars zip around a racetrack. One time around is called a lap. Look, the cars are going around the racetrack. Look at the racetrack in here. It's round. A race car is fast. Look at the race car. It's fast. It has a powerful engine. Look, here is the engine. A race car has smooth tires. They grip the track. Look, these are the tires. Look at the tires. They're smooth. A driver wears safety gear. He has a helmet. Buckle up. A harness holds him in the car. Look, I see a helmet and the harness to keep him safe. Oh no, the car needs gas. It's time for a pit stop. The pit crew runs out, they fill up the tank, they pump the tires, then the car speeds away. Look, they're filling the gas, they're pumping the tires, they're fixing the car so it can go fast again. It's the last lap. The finish line is ahead. Look at the checkered flag. That means it's the end of the race. A checkered flag! It's the end of the race. Number 66 speeds across. She wins. She looks happy. The end. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the story.